Imagine waking up one morning and your phone just won't turn on. All your contacts, photos, and work files gone. That's not a nightmare. It's what happens when you don't back up. Data is gold, and most Nigerians don't realize how risky it is to keep everything on one device until it's too late. But here's the good news. Backing up doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. Step 1. Use cloud backup. If you use an iPhone, turn on iCloud backup. For Android, go to your settings and activate Google Drive backup. It automatically saves your messages, contacts, app data, and photos, even if your phone dies or is stolen. Step 2. Create a local backup too. Cloud backups are great, but internet and storage space can fail. Every 2 weeks, connect your phone to your laptop and copy your files manually into a secure folder. Step 3. Use external drives. Flash drives or portable hard drives are perfect for photos, documents, or large videos. Just avoid fake ones. They lose data easily. We have reliable backup drives available at Gadgets. Step 4. Set up auto-sync for photos and videos. Use Google Photos or OneDrive to sync every picture you take automatically. You'll never lose memories, even if your phone crashes. Step 5. Restore process. When you get a new phone, simply sign in with your account and restore from the latest backup. Everything, from your chats to contacts, comes back instantly. If you've already lost data or your phone storage is failing, visit Gadgets. We recover data, replace drives, and set up automatic backups for you, safely and fast.